as we now know what is toner, what are the benefits of toner, how to use the toner, and what are the difference between toners and other water-like skincare products, then there are huge variety of toners available in the market. Which toners are good for which skin type? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Surbhi Patni. So let's discuss what all good options are available for different skin types, that is dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, or all skin types. For each category, I'm going to tell you the various ingredients you should look for if you are choosing toner for your skin type. So basically, I'm going to tell you one budget friendly option and one little expensive options, but a very good option. So mostly all the toner will provide the benefits which I have earlier mentioned in the benefits of toner. So the points are gonna be repeated a little bit because that's what toner does, but still I'll tell you a few points which differentiate each product from others. While looking for toners for your dry skin, you should look for ingredients like witch hazel, vitamin E, cucumber, aloe vera, grapefruit seed extract, pomegranate extract, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and alcohol-free toners. The first toner which I highly recommend for dry skin is Plum E Luminous Nourishment Toner Water. So it comes in a bottle of 200 ml and it comes for 420. It is an alcohol-free toner which is very good for dry skin because alcohol further dry out your skin. Also, it has vitamin E. It soothes and calms your dry skin. It has floral extracts and are high in antioxidants which are very good especially for your dry skin types. Balances your pH level, provides nourishment, hydration. This particular toner has very delightful and refreshing fragrance. So that is again a plus point for any product. Next product I want to talk about is the Claire Supple Preparation Toner. I came around this particular toner and I really loved the review, the ingredients, the details mentioned about this toner. So basically this toner is specially for dry skin because its consistency is little thick as compared to water, but it is not as goopy as your essence or serum. This toner has pH level of 5, which is a very rare claim for any of the toners. Due to its little thick consistency, it claims to provide prolonged hydration 20% more than normal toners which are available in the market. So it is a boon for your dry skin and it is a must try. It balances your pH level, it calms your skin, it removes excess oil and dirt, it is non-irritating, and as it is alcohol free, it is also good for sensitive skin. It comes in a bottle form, it is not a spray form bottle. I would suggest taking it on your palm, patting it onto your skin. And other toners I would recommend for dry skin is the Body Shop Vitamin E Toner, which comes in the range of 825 for 250 ml. Also, Wow Skin Science Coconut Infused Toner is also a good option for dry skin. Now next move on to the toners for oily skin. So ingredients to look for while choosing toners for your oily skin are tea tree oil, green tea, aloe vera, salicylic acid which is BHA, and AHA which is glycolic acid, lactic acid, sandalwood, willow bark, lavender, clary sage. So these are those kind of ingredients which are soothing and calming in nature and which are usually used as an active ingredient for your acne prone skin like inflammation, acne. So the first toner I would recommend is the Plum Green Tea Toner, which comes in 200 ml bottle and is priced at Rs 390. So Plum Green Tea range is the most best selling range in the whole category of plum, and also this green tea range is giving tough competition to other acne products of different brands. So this toner is really good. I have used it once on my skin, I finished it off and I really love the result of that toner on my skin. So this toner is perfect for oily, acne prone as well as combination skin. This provides nourishment, hydrations, and smoothens and calms your skin. It also keeps your acne away as it has a large amount of green tea extracts. It is alcohol free, that's why it does not dry out your skin like other alcohol based toners does. And Plum usually comes under the good products which is free of paraben, sulfates, propylene glycol, etc. It has glycolic acid which tightens your enlarged pores, combat your blemishes and acne or pimples, and gently exfoliates your skin. Another option of toner for oily skin is Innisfree Bija Trouble Skin Toner. It comes for Rs 1100 for 200 ml bottle, which is a little expensive, but it's really nice product if you want to try any Innisfree product for your oily skin. The main ingredient of this toner is Toroya seed oil from the Jeju Island, which is mainly to tackle your troubled skin or blemished skin. Also, it contains natural salicylic acid for exfoliation and blemish blemishing. It is not 100% alcohol free, but it has naturally fermented alcohol in it. Also, it contains 100% natural essential oils, and again it's a clean product, free from parabens, sulfates and other acidic contents. These two are the products which I highly recommend, but other options I also recommend for oily skin type is Biotic Bio Cucumber Tea Tree Toner. That is very good for oily combination skin, but it might not be suitable for sensitive skin people. And again, the Body Shop Tea Tree Toner is also a very good option. Now let's move on to toners for sensitive skin. This is again my category of skin. Though I have oily and acne prone skin, but my skin is super sensitive, I draw more towards the sensitive skin care products rather than the oily and acne products. So the ingredients to look for during finding your sensitive skin type toner are aloe vera, cucumber and alcohol free and fragrance free products. Obviously, because of the calming and soothing nature of aloe vera and cucumber, these two are the main ingredients you should look for in your toners. So the first product I would recommend you for your sensitive skin type people is Juicy Chemistry 100% organic lavender water. So this toner comes in a 110 ml bottle and will cost you around 500. This is good for normal to dry skin people, but it's a boon for sensitive skin type people. So lavender has the ability to reduce your acne, revise, tighten and reduce the wrinkles on your skin, and also helps to lighten and brighten your skin. Also, it helps to soothe irritated, itched and inflamed skin, and also it moisturizes your skin deep cleaning. That is why it is good for dry skin, and as it combats your acne and soothes it, it is good for sensitive as well as acne prone skin. It refines and rejuvenates your skin. It helps to tighten your pores, tone your skin, and like other toners, it balances your pH level. It's cruelty free and vegan product. It is handmade and freshly made. And another option I would recommend for your sensitive skin is Hair's alcohol free witch hazel unscented toner with aloe vera. It is little expensive. It is for 1800 for 330 ml bottle, but this is a toner which I have not heard anyone talk about much. But again, it's a very good product. Its reviews are very good in the website. Its ingredients are very natural, and I have heard a lot of dermatologists and skincare enthusiasts, YouTubers and bloggers talk about this particular product internationally. So as it is now available in Nykaa, I thought why not talk about this product in the category of toners. As the name only says, it is alcohol free as well as it is aloe vera extract, which is both very important part for your sensitive skin. It is a natural botanical toner which hydrates, smoothens, cleanses, tones and moisturizes your skin. This product also tightens your pores. Also, the presence of witch hazel extract and mild antioxidants helps out with your acne and inflammation, reduce redness and soothes your irritated skin. And as I said, it is an alcohol free formula, so it doesn't bother dry out your skin, and also as it has aloe vera extract, it soothes and calms your skin. Again, it is free from gluten, parabens, sulfates, fragrance oils or natural artificial colors. It is again a vegan and cruelty free brand. I highly recommend you sensitive people to try out this product if you can splurge. And another additional option I would suggest for sensitive skin type people is the Body Shop Aloe Toner, which comes in 250 ml bottle and costs around 1100. Now we'll talk about toners for all skin types. There are few toners which oily people, acne prone people, sensitive people, normal combination or dry skin people, everyone can use, and it will not harm their skin, and there are pretty good options available in the market. The first and the cheaper option is this Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. This is the all skin type toner. So if you are a person who is not at all into toner and you have never used toner in your life, start with this product. You will not regret using it. This is again alcohol free toner, so it is safe for dry skin as well as for sensitive skin people. Currently I'm using this toner for my face, and as you can see, I have finished it more than half. I'm really liking this product because as I have a lot of acne problem currently on my skin, so I just wanted to go for a cheaper, milder option and not to play around with different types of toners, so I'm hanging on to this one for now. So again, this is oil free. It reduces oil secretion, it removes your impurities, balances your pH level, makes the pore appear smaller, revitalizes and rejuvenates your skin, make the skin look healthy and vibrant, does not leave your skin itchy or dry, and it is enriched with all the natural ingredients which makes the skin look fresh. So this is a very good option if you are confused with so many products out there in the market, and especially if you have troubled skin, this is a very good option to go for. The next toner I want to show you, I highly recommend you for all skin type category, is this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. I've already raved about this product in my previous skincare haul video and I can't praise it enough. I really love this product. This is a little expensive. This 200 ml of product comes for 1500 or something, but again during Nykaa sale you can grab it for a little less price of course. It is a very good brand and it is a very good product, so it's worth a try. You can buy its mini size as well. So basically this is a rose water. As we all know, rose water is a gentle form of toner. It is a natural exfoliant. It also balances your pH level of your skin. It is non-alcoholic. It tightens your pores. Also it helps in removing your makeup once you have double cleansed or cleansed your face. So the extra impurities or makeup which your cleansers have missed, or the extra cleansers which your water has missed, can be removed easily with wiping your face with this. This is not a toner, but it acts as a toner. You can use it as your rose water also and as your toner also. Again, this is a spray form, so if you are using this product throughout your day, so you can just spray it on your face like your setting spray or your mist, and then tap it on your skin. And if you're using it after your cleanser or after removing your makeup, then I would recommend it using a cotton ball or a cotton pad and rub it through your T-zone and outward, so that the extra impurities which are left over on your skin can be removed easily. And Kama Ayurveda is again a very good brand to trust in, so I would highly recommend buying this product. So there are much more products available in the market with a lot of brands, and so obviously this is not possible for me to cover all the toners of all the brands. So these are few options for different skin types, which I tried to narrow it down to 2 or 3 toner options in each category of skin types. So I hope that is helpful for you to choose your toner for your skin type. A small disclaimer, the products I have told you might not 100% suit you. As I always say, whenever you buy any skincare product, you should always do a patch test, that is buy a mini size if possible. Also look for the ingredients it contains, look for the reviews of the product, do a research little bit so that you don't waste your money. Also these products are according to my personal experiences, my research, taking the experiences of my friends. So that is the best possible products I can recommend you from my side. Also, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Also hit the bell notification button so that every time I post a new video, you will get notification for the same. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.